everyone, my name is Gretchen Mullin-Sawicki. I am the campus president at the North Campus Community College of Allegheny County. I write a blog at GretchenMullinsawicki.com, and I write usually about maybe once every week about different issues related to the community colleges. And this week I wrote about Manufacturing Day. Manufacturing Day is pretty well known. It's been around since 2012, and it's a way for manufacturers to open their doors to really break down those misperceptions of manufacturing as being sort of dirty, monotonous, boring jobs. So we had a wonderful day. We had lots of students there, we had industry there, we had high school students there that learned about all the great jobs, the great salaries, the opportunities for promotion and advancement. So it was a great day, and I know that probably we will get some students interested in manufacturing, but we absolutely do not have a pipeline of students ready for the 2 million jobs that are supposed to be open within the next decade. So we need to get more students interested in manufacturing. So what is the problem? Well, I read this really good article by Keith Barb in Industry Week, and he talked about the fact that the misperception of manufacturing is absolutely wrong. There are people think they're boring jobs or poorly paid jobs, and he showed statistics that the manufacturing industry is really comparable to jobs in the technology sector, and that your first sort of the lower end manufacturing jobs, you make $21.44 an hour. That is 3 times the minimum wage, and yet we don't have students interested in manufacturing. So I really want us to sort of change Manufacturing Day as manufacturing year. This is something that we need to be talking about 365 days a year. I encourage everyone to come to our job site at www.ccac.edu and look at not just the jobs, but also the programs related to manufacturing. The signature program at our school is called Mechatronics, and it's all about automation. It's very interesting. There's computer programming, there's PLCs. It is a fabulous job. So this is just a quick little sort of plug for manufacturing. I hope you think of it as manufacturing year, and check out my blog at GretchenMullinsawicki.com. All right, thanks.